Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to disconnect your Microsoft account from your PS5. It's a quick process and only takes a couple of minutes. Let's jump right in. Go ahead and power on your PS5 and grab your controller. On the home screen, look toward the top right for the settings icon. It's the one that looks like a small gear. Highlight it and press X to open. Once you're in settings, scroll down the list until you see users and accounts. It's usually around the middle. Press X to select it. Inside that menu, you'll want to find and select Linked with Other Services. This section shows all the external accounts connected to your console things, like Epic Games and, of course, Microsoft. You'll now see a list of services. Scroll through and find Microsoft account. It may display your email address or gamer tag next to it. Select it with X. On the next screen, you'll see the details of your linked Microsoft account. Look for the option that says Unlink account and select it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure. Go ahead and confirm by choosing Yes or Unlink. The system will take a moment to process. Once it's finished, you'll get a notification confirming that your account has been successfully unlinked. And just like that, your Microsoft account is no longer connected to your PS5. Keep in mind, if you ever want to use Game Pass or other Microsoft linked features again, you'll need to go through the linking process once more. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Catch you in the next one.